XYO is exchanging at 0.004 in terms of its US dollar rate with a value change of 0.2% and genuinely most recent 60 minutes or so they generally thought. XYO generally has a truly all-out market cap of 477,37045 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 381,546. Or so they truly thought. This certainly makes XYO sort of positioning at 370 in the digital currency market and an essentially large matter on the off chance that it is exchanging at 370 in the digital currency market according to the XYO conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the XYO cost explicitly is supposed to cross a normal value level of 0.00 for the normal exceptionally least value worth of XYO toward the end of the very current year ought to basically be 0.004, or so they truly thought. Besides, XYO can particularly arrive at a most extreme value level of 0.005, so XYO has a very all-out market cap of 47,737,045. WXYO value calculator. The XYO forecast for July 2023 anticipates that the XYO will generally arrive at a kind of highest value of 0.004 with a base cost of around 0.003 in an inconspicuous manner, mentioning the actual normal values. IO can genuinely stretch about 0.004 in July, demonstrating how, if you are a crypto financial backer and considering what specifically is the XYO cost forecast end of 2023, what will XYO generally be worth in 2023 in an inconspicuous way. Figure of the XYO value August 2023. In August 2023, the highest price for XYO could in fact stretch over 0.004, which is actually critical. However, the lowest price of XYO in August 2023 is very probably $0.0004, with a usual price of 0.004, which is genuinely critical. XYO value forecast September 2023. The cost of XYO is generally expected to basically reach at a very least worth of $0.004, or so they truly thought. The XYO cost could especially arrive at an especially most extreme worth of 0.004 with the very normal exchanging worth of 0.004 all through 2023 showing. House IO value prediction in September 2023. The cost of XYO is specifically expected to sort of reach an unusually low value of 0.004 in a genuinely massive way. The XYO value hypothesis. The XYO figure for October 2023 anticipates that the XYO will achieve a true highest value of 0.005 with a practically lowest cost of approximately 0.004. Which is actually significant when compared to the generally regular values. IO can explicitly stretch around 0.004 for October, or so they believed. Figure of the XYO value in November 2023, the most practicable cost for XYO may genuinely reach about 0.005. Demonstrating how XYO value estimate October 2023. The XYO gauge for October 2023 anticipates that the XYO may generally arrive at a most extreme worth of 0.005 with a genuinely least cost of around 0.004 genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of XYO in November 2023 for the most part is 0.004 with a kind of typical cost of $0.004, demonstrating how the XYO cost could truly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of 0.004 with the generally normal cost of 0.004. September 2023, the cost of XYO is expected to expressly achieve a kind of lowest worth of 0.004 in September 2023, which is very significant. The XYO value hypothesis December 2023 and December 2023, the cost of XYO is expected to be around a truly minimum of 0.004, demonstrating the manner that discussing the truly normal values works. For October, IO can sort of stretch around 0.004, which is clearly quite large. XYOCOs can essentially reach a limit of 0.005 with a fundamentally normal cost of 0.004 and US dollars in a major way. XYO past value evaluation, and the most recent hours the crypto sort of has been typically decreased by 0.84 in its extremely current worth, demonstrating that XYO value gauge July 2023. The XYO figure for July 2023 anticipates that the XYO may achieve an all-around greatest worth of 0.004. with an especially least cost of around 0.003 in an unpretentious manner, assuming we generally consider the especially current market cap of the XYO with yesterday's. You can generally see that the market cap especially is likewise down, which in a genuine sense is genuinely critical. From very most recent 7 days, the XYO generally was in genuinity. XYO has recently demonstrated areas of strength for truly potential. And this could be a decent opportunity to dive right in and contribute, showing how XYO value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of XYO is expected to truly be at around and in every way that truly matters least of 0.004. Demonstrating the way that discussing the typical values IO can in every practical sense stretch around $0.004 for October, or so they thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of XYO explicitly decreased by 32.904, wiping out an incredible absolutely normal amount of 0.002 from its extremely current worth. Really, as opposed to mainstream thinking, this unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin is generally in plunge at this time, implying that it can generally be a decent investment. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders, even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next? The SEC wants more money to deal with fraud and risks in the cryptocurrency market. The head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Gary Gensler, has asked Congress for more money to deal with risks in the crypto markets. He stressed the need to deal with people who don't follow the rules and to protect buyers from the risky nature of the cryptocurrency markets, which he called the Wild West of finance. By giving the division more money, the SEC hopes to improve its ability to deal with problems in the cryptocurrency markets, cyber and information security.